So Python, let's see the introduction of the Python. Python is a simple, popular programming languages. So it was created by Guido van Rossum and it is released in 1991. So what can Python do? So Python can be used on a server side to create a web applications. Okay. So next is Python language is used to develop a softwares. So next is Python can be connected to database system. Python language can be connected to database system. So in this, Python can read or modify the data, modify the files in the database. So next is Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. So Python language is used to solve a complex mathematics problems. So next is Python can work on different platforms like Windows, Linux, etc. In Windows and Linux operating system, we can run the Python programs. Next is Python has a simple syntax. Simple syntax similar to the English language. So next, Python has a syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines compared to other programming languages. So Python programs can run on interpreter system. Python programs can run on interpreter system means that code can be executed as soon as it is written. So Python can be treated in a procedural way. And it is a object oriented programming language. It is a object oriented programming language. So next is Python was designed for readability. Python was designed for readability and it is similarities to the English language and it is influenced from mathematics. So Python uses new line to complete a command. Python languages will use a new line to complete a command. So other programming languages will uses the parenthesis or semicolon to complete a command, but in the Python will use a new line to complete a command. So next is Python relies on indentation using white space, means to define a scope of the loops like that, such as loops, function and classes. In other languages they will use the curly brackets, but Python will uses the indentation using white space. So next is how you are going to run a Python program, or how you are going to write a Python program. To write a Python program, we are using the software like Thonny IDE. It can be downloaded from the https thonny.org. So to create a Python file, it should be saved in .py extension. Like this, like main.py. So the program name will be saved in .py extension. So example is main.py. This is a file or program in the Python. So let's see the one small example how you are getting a output like this. This is a program, simple program to print a sentence like print hello world. Hello world. So this is one sentence in the Python program. So this file you are saved like this. Example.py. So after running the program, you will get a output like this. So hello world.